Hi everyone, this is Tracy from EdTech, and today I will show you how to install and log in to Microsoft Office through Word or PowerPoint on your MacBook. First, you need to make sure that it's installed on your MacBook. So you're going to come to Self-Service, and then once in here, go over to Software, and then scroll down, and I've already installed Microsoft Word on my MacBook, but now I'm going to come over and show you the same thing with Microsoft PowerPoint. So you just hit install, and then it might take a few minutes to install, and then once it's finished, go ahead and click on open. Okay, so now we're going to open this here. Now it wants you to sign in with your subscription, which is your East Valley login credentials. So this will open up the Microsoft 365 suite so you don't have to sign in again. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on this and type in my East Valley email account. And then we go .org and then next. And then it's going to prompt me to log into the district network as well. So I have my email there, and I'm going to put in my password. This is the password I use to log into my computer and onto the network every day. And then it's going to go ahead and look for my account and activate me. And now I can go ahead and start using PowerPoint. Go ahead and click on this Get Started. And then up here you'll see that this is on my East Valley account right here. Okay, so let me close this. And so I want to show you here, Microsoft Word is already downloaded as well, installed. So when I click on open, I can just go ahead and hit on the Get Started, and I don't have to sign in again to Microsoft. Okay, so that's how you do that. If you guys have any questions, please let me know.